Earth is called the blue planet, and the reason for that is the presence of water. In fact, three-quarters of our planet is water. That makes us think that we have plenty of water to live, play, splash, throw water balloons for the next hundreds or even thousands of years, right? Unfortunately, that's not true. Stick around to find how much water we actually have. All living things on Earth need water to survive. Some need fresh water and some salt water. Our planet is 71% water. Out of all the water we have, 97% is in the oceans. And we call this water as salt water because it has a high concentration of salt in it. To give you an idea of how much salt ocean water has, add 7 teaspoons of salt in 1 liter of water. That's a lot of salt. All land animals, including us, our bodies are not designed to take this much salt. Drinking salt water in large amounts can even kill us. The only water we can have to survive is the fresh water. Only 3% of all the water on Earth is fresh water, and out of that, only 1% is accessible. So if we do the math, 99% of all the water on our planet is unusable. If we could fill all the Earth's water in a pool, just one bucket of water is the fresh water. Most of the fresh water is locked in the ice caps in polar regions and underground. The 1% accessible fresh water is found in lakes, rivers, ponds, wetlands, and streams. It is called freshwater because it does not contain much salt. Let's find saltwater and freshwater on the map of our planet. The blue area you see is all saltwater. The freshwater is in much smaller lakes, rivers, and streams in every continent. Freshwater provides very important functions of life on our planet. First, we use fresh water every single day to live. We use it for drinking, bathing, cleaning, flushing toilets. Around 70% of accessible fresh water is used to raise livestock and to grow crops to feed the growing population. For example, to produce 1 pound or 450 grams of beef, we need around 1,799 gallons of water. That is around 6,800 liters of water, which is equivalent to 180 large cans of water. 20% of the fresh water is used by industries and factories to create things for us. Secondly, rivers, lakes, and other freshwater habitats provide a home for millions of creatures like river dolphins, turtles, beavers, and millions more. Thanks to the water cycle that replenishes the freshwater resources. To learn more about the water cycle, check the video link in the description box below. Due to growing population and industrialization, humans are using fresh water more and more every year. We are using more than the water cycle can replenish. Now, less fresh water in certain areas doesn't just mean having less water for the people who live there. It also means less water for the plants and animals that live there too. We not only need a constant supply of fresh water throughout the year, we also have to make sure we are not polluting these freshwater resources for the sake of our health and the health of all the organisms that depend on that water. Let's look at few little things we can do in our everyday life to reduce the freshwater wastage and keeping it clean. Taking shorter showers, turning off the faucet when we are brushing teeth, sweeping up dirt outside instead of using a hose, fixing a leaky faucet. When doing laundry, wash full load instead of washing a few things at a time. And when we are outdoors, making sure we carry a bag to collect all of our trash. Together, we can do our part in looking after our water. Thanks for watching. Press like if you liked this video and please subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the first one to know our future videos. See you next time.